Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a voting board for your guests for a gender reveal party. So just over here I'm going to start off by cutting out the shape of a bow and a tie, pink for the bow and blue for the tie. And I'm just using this paper, this textured paper that I got from Deserres. I'll link it below. One side is flat and one side has this polka dot sort of texture. It's very nice. Anyways, we're going to trace our tie onto the flat side of the paper. And then once we trace it, we're just going to cut it out. Right here I also have some magnetic tape that I also got from Deserres. The nice thing about this is that it has an adhesive backing, so no need for glue or tape or anything, it'll just stick right onto your projects. So I cut diagonal pieces of this and stuck it straight onto the gender reveal board, and then I also cut small pieces for the bows and the ties. Here I've just finished with all the bows and the ties, and I've attached a piece of magnet to each of them, and then your guests can simply, write their names on the back when they vote and attach it to the board. So here I'm just decorating the board with some stickers that I got from Michael's, and I'll leave a link for them below. I'm also using some pink and blue ribbon that I got from the dollar store. I just attached the ribbon with some clear tape in 3 different spots just to be sure it doesn't fall. And I also took that same blue and pink ribbon, wrapped it around each other, and then I stuck that in the middle also in 3 different spots. So a fun thing you can do for your party is once everyone's voted and written their names down on the back of these bows and ties, is that once you actually have your gender reveal, all the people who voted correctly, you can just take their names into a draw and give them a prize. And here you can just see that the magnets aren't going anywhere, they stay stuck on. And just to keep all your bows and ties safe and from getting lost, you can just tape them to the back of your board and put them in a little baggie. I just used the bag that these stickers came in. If you're like me and you're making this way ahead of time, what you'll want to do is weigh down the magnets with some heavy books. I did notice that they were kind of curling up in the corners a little bit, so it's not the strongest adhesive tape, but it's strong enough. But they do curl up sometimes, so just until your party starts, you'll want to weigh them down with something heavy. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe and share with all your pregnant friends. And I'll be coming up with more of these projects in the future. Thanks. Bye.